Hi, I'm Jennifer Jumas, voiceover artist. Something you may not know about me is that I'm also a licensed clinical psychologist. I've been in private practice for almost 25 years. Early in my career, I began doing relaxation and meditation exercises with my clients, and they asked how they could practice them at home. Now, this is going to date me a bit, but when I first started out, I would make cassette tapes for them to practice at home. Then I was able to progress to burning CDs for them, and now technology allows us to share video and audio with each other with really just the tap of a finger. So sit back, relax, and enjoy 3-minute breathing space as an opportunity to calm your body and mind and find your center in this often chaotic world. Feel free to just close your eyes if that feels comfortable to you, or if you prefer to keep your eyes open, I've included a few relaxing images on the screen that you may enjoy.
Welcome to 3-minute breathing space instruction. Because it is only 3 minutes long, it is a wonderful way to pause and reflect and practice mindfulness in our everyday activities. It is a way to gain perspective for whatever is present for us in this very moment in time. It is a wonderful opportunity for us to step out of automatic pilot and to come back to our authentic selves in the present moment. So let's begin by coming to a comfortable sitting position with the spine straight and shoulders relaxed, and the body comfortable with the legs uncrossed and the feet flat on the floor, the hands resting comfortably in your lap or on your thighs. Now allow your eyes to close if that feels right to you, becoming aware of what your experience is right now, your physical sensations, sounds around you, and your internal thoughts and feelings. Allowing and acknowledging all sensations and feelings without judgment, whether the thoughts are wanted or unwanted. The feelings are comfortable or difficult. And if the body experiences are strong or relaxed. Invite yourself to notice or observe whatever is happening in this moment without labeling it as good or bad. We're just observing what's going on in its natural state of ebb and flow. There is no pressure to create any feelings that aren't here or to try and get rid of any feelings that are here. We're just making space to observe what is. Particularly notice any sensations that might be difficult or unwanted right now. Now gently bring your attention to your breathing. Notice your in-breath and your out-breath, resting on the rhythm of your breathing cycle, observing the full length of each in-breath and the full length of each out-breath. The breath provides you with an anchor to the present moment and supports a way to tune into a state of attentive awareness and stillness, a way to step out of automatic thinking or impulsive responding. You don't have to change the rhythm or pace of your breathing, just notice and observe it. Now expanding the field of awareness around your breathing to include the whole of your body. Be aware of your sitting, your posture as a whole, relaxing with each out-breath as best you can. Softening and releasing with each out-breath. We are often so much in a state of rushing and trying to change that we need to take time to just appreciate what is right now, even when it's uncomfortable. Noticing and softening with each out-breath. When you are ready, open your eyes.
So I hope you enjoyed this 3-minute breathing exercise. If you want to learn more about meditation and relaxation, be sure to subscribe because I'm going to be doing several more videos explaining what meditation is, how to do it, and so forth. And if you have a meditation script you'd like me to voice over, feel free to reach out and email it to me, and I'd be happy to send you a free sample of what it would sound like with my voice. Until then, thanks for watching and be well.